Hey everyone! Let's learn how to create line chart. For this demo, I'm using the financial sample dataset provided by Power BOE. Load it into your report. Once the data is loaded, go to the Visualizations pane on the right side. Click on the line chart icon. Now select Data and Sales fields from your table. You'll instantly see a line showing your sales trend over time. Click on the chart and open the Format pane, the paint roller icon. Here, you can adjust data labels, add the markers, hide the grid lines, change the line colors, and even customize the background and grid lines for a cleaner look. Make sure your chart looks simple, clear, and easy to read. If your data has a date hierarchy, like year, quarter, month, and day, you can use drill down to go deeper. Use the drill up arrow to go back to yearly view. If you want to see your trend by segment, just add the segment field into the legend area. And that's it. You've created a line chart in Power BOE. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Power BOE tutorials.